when I retired. I came back to this village along with my younger brothers, the Commodore Tafel, his wife, and my wife, along with children, and stayed night over here. Then I discussed it with my brother and with my wife that we will initiate an educational project from this village. He suggested me, you could initiate this project at Kautar, and I'll start over here. 2 days we lived over there and then asked the neighboring villages that we want to teach your children. And initially they hesitated that as to how, without any facility over here, so whether they would be able to teach our children or not. But ultimately, probably as a test case, so they gave those 16, 17 children to us, okay, you teach them. Mind you, we had the intention of educating only those 17 children. So initially my wife started teaching them, and that class for 3 to 4 months, because no teacher was willing to come in this deserted village surrounded by jungles. The reason was, I was born here. That is your basic debt. The place which looked after me, I was not supposed to desert it. Now, after 3 to 4 months, a volunteer came from Sahiwal. Professor Salim, he volunteered himself. He said, Brigadier Sahab, these 2 daughters are your daughter. Take them along and they will teach that initial class. And from that heart now we have constructed this building, and today we are having 4 classes over here. Walaikum salam. Now, he is one of those 2 who came over here with me, Baba Sahab. We motivated the general community. This type of board is fixed in front of every school. From this place, this system was developed, and presently we are having 2 people. They helped me and supported me a lot. First of all, my wife. My wife is daughter of Azim Saab, who has given me a lot of support as far as this project is concerned. And second is this vehicle. When we moved back to the village, so there was no road connection to this village. So just with the help of a dozer and few laborers, we were able to construct our road, which was to be used by this 4x4 vehicle. And after that, then we applied for the proper road, and I think we were lucky that it was sanctioned. I purchased it primarily for this project, and I have got a special liking for this vehicle. These 16 schools are located far off. On daily basis, I move out from one school to another, and my wife as well. And I may leave her in one school and move to another school and guide the teachers and come back in the evening. This is my living room as well. Whenever there's a need, I just